everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I don't know how many takes this is, but I'm gonna try something here again. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Just putting down some green mush that I had left over here. I thought I would just utilize the paints that I had, and yeah, and we'll just go from here, and hopefully we'll get something good here. Not a good thing. Having such a hard time these last few days to get something that I'm satisfied with. So, yeah. Playing with a toothbrush here. Trying some new things. Should just do a flip cup and call it a day. On my green background here. Yeah, I wonder if I could do some Arteza pearl white that I have, and I know that's what's in here because I just mixed this up not that long ago. And some Minds Tangerine. And some Sonja antique brass. And some Sonja Russet. Deco soft gold. And Sonja Norwegian orange. And Expresso by Sonja. Some yellow deep by Master's Touch. And how about a little bit of Pebeo? Oh no, this is my, this is that mixture of all the colors. And how about some of this green that I have here? That in. Oh, and let's go back to some pearl white. like what you saw here today, please subscribe. Hope you enjoyed your time with me today. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. Hope to be back in a few days with another pour. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye now. I'll take you in for the close-up.